Hello dear friends, it's your boy, Chapper. Y'all know why I'm here, right? Now some of y'all been throwing a hissy fit over the last couple of days. It's almost like y'all want to fight. But let me ask y'all a question. Y'all know the money they took out of y'all account is not coming back, right? But hear me now, my granddaddy had a little saying, thief will never prosper. And that's talking about you, ma'am, and you, sir. Yes, you same one who robbed up Uber. It's a crying shame, I tell you. And the worst part about it is, some of y'all want to cast all the blame on the bank. But let me just lean forward while I say this one. Of course the bank should take some of the blame. But let's be frank, or better yet, let's believe. When we take a deeper pre, some of y'all are just thief. Y'all are just thief, guaranteed. Now I'm sure y'all are wondering, how does Chapper and Sons fall into all this legal equation? Well, our phone's been ringing off the hook. But hear me now, I'd like to advise that if you find yourselves in this little situation and y'all want legal representation, we ain't taking y'all calls. We do not want this case. God go with you, cause we know I go. But hear me now, if y'all find yourselves in some other legal matter, feel free to call us at 1-888-CHAPPER. Chapper and Sons.